2 years before I repair this stick IC. Now it's also broken ready, cannot work. For this case I'm going to replace this IC. Now need to disconnect the IC with the circuit. I am resoldering. This is Stk4231. This IC can make 100 watt per channel. It's a stereo IC. Per channel can make 100 watt. This IC can make 200 watt. Okay, it is solder ready. I am taking out this IC, old one. It was repaired before 2 years ago. Now this one also old, but okay. I am going to fix a new one. It's almost fixed. We can use maximum 50 voltage in this circuit diagram. 50 voltage. 50 voltage 5 ampere, 5 or 6 ampere, then can make 200 watt. The watt depend on the voltage. Watt depends on the voltage. If we use 50 voltage 4 ampere, then we can get 200 watt, and they have some loss, then we cannot get full 200 watt. So we have to use 50 minimum 6 ampere. Here 6 ampere need to get actual 200 watt. I am soldering this IC first to corner, otherwise the IC can be displaced. Okay, I solder ready. This leg need to be soldered. Now it's okay. This one also need to be solder. Now it's also okay. Okay, now I am going to check this IC. That is the transformer. This is the positive voltage. Positive voltage is here. This is the positive voltage. the negative voltage. This is the ground voltage. Now I bring the speaker. I'm going to plug in. Now I'm going to check the voltage. This light makes some problem. Noise makes problem. Meter cannot see. Okay. This is ground. This is our load. Positive 26, negative 26 voltage. I am using 26 low voltage. I am using low voltage. Speaker output has no voltage. That means this IC is okay maybe. This is the ground voltage for the speaker. And this is the speaker output. Left speaker output here. Just look, it's working. This side is okay. Now this side. Another side. Just make very small sound. That means maybe IC or circuit problem. I don't know what is the problem. I have to check. It's making noise but low sound, no bass. Again I am checking. First I solder this wire there. Grabbing the plug in. No, its sound has but very small. The sound but low. Maybe resistance or PA problem. Any problem. I have to check this. Before resistance also small. After resistance also same. So maybe I have to change the input resistance, or they have some 1 PF. This create me problem. I will check it. If you want this circuit diagram, there are same circuit diagram in my channel, in my site. There are the link in the comment. You can go and visit the website link to get this circuit diagram. Thank you for watching the video.